Hello, Honor Chem students. Just kind of wanted to give you a quick little video on the lowdown for today. Hopefully you guys are getting into that feel that you understand you've got to go to the end of term third work and click on the lesson that is now published for the day. Please don't forget to do the daily attendance. And I know some of you guys are having trouble with attendance. Please keep trying. I'm trying to work with tech to resolve that issue. You should still be contacting tech about your issue as well too. So please, I think it's more of an issue for some of you guys about your computer than it is about things on our end. What we're doing today is we're going to start gas laws, and today's information, today's things that you are doing will actually count as your fourth term grade. So what you will want to do is you're going to want to go through these 2 days assessments, okay, or these 2 daily activities. One is going to actually have you draw a model. So I'm just going to preview this for you guys real quick. You're going to watch something, then you're going to draw something, and then you're going to have to upload your drawing into a Medium album. And because people are switching in different hours next for fourth quarters, I need you guys to do this. This is really important. Please put your first and your last name and your hour somewhere in your document. And then also when you download that into your media album, which you're going to click on a button like this. And then there's a button over here that says add media. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your media and you're going to attach a file. So I'm just going to pick a screenshot that I have made from an earlier day from yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to add this media, and when I add the media, there's a place where it says you have successfully added one file. You can see them below or add a caption. And that's what I do want you guys to do. I do want you to put your caption in there. So I want you to say and put your first name and your last name and hour. I'm going to say that I'm with hour 1. So I'm going to put that there as a caption, and I'm going to save that. So I'm just also going to double check that when I look at that media album, I will be able to see who that picture is from. This is actually going to count more like a homework check. So you guys are aware of that. And also, so you know, you have to take attendance, but I am also looking at if you are engaging. So please make sure you're taking attendance, because that is the easiest way for the administration to know that you are here and doing what you should be doing. But also, I am looking at if you know where your online presence is and what you're doing. As far as the test, since you had, like my thing said, since you had since like midnight to put things in, I don't have it graded yet, and I won't have that graded probably till Monday or Tuesday. Grades are due for us on Wednesday, so we'll have things figured out by then. Hope you guys have a good day. It's going to be nicer today than it is yesterday, so hope you can get out and enjoy some sunshine too. We'll talk to you later, guys. Good luck. Miss ya. Bye.